Hi everyone, it's Ali and welcome to my garden. My garden is not one of those beautifully manicured landscape gardens and I would not like it to be, but it definitely does need a bit of a tidy up. In amongst the overgrown weeds we have this beautiful old Bramley apple tree and an amazing wisteria that climbs up over the shed. I've also recently started planting my own plants and flowers in pots in my garden, but for now I really need to do some general maintenance. And I'm going to turn this horrible old spider den into my new potting shed. Let's get started. Hard work finished, we were treated to a visit from Oscar's best friend. Quasi is a ginger tomcat that lives next door to us, and him and Oscar are literally best friends. Don't be fooled by them chasing each other around. They hang out together every day, and when we first got Oscar, Quasi was the shyest cat I have ever met. But now, very occasionally, he will let me pet him, although he doesn't like it very much. Of course, there is always more work to be done, as Oscar and Quasi both know, and we can't sit around here all day. Time to get our paws dirty and plant up some of my pots. I know there's some iris bulbs in one of the pots that the previous owners of my house left, and I want to dig them up to replant next year and replace them with some of my onion plants. And now for the biggest job of today. I've got a hydrangea I want to rescue from this border, which is 99% weeds, some of which are almost as tall as me, and lots of brambles and wild grasses. My plan is to dig this out and replant the hydrangea and try to stop Oscar using it as a toilet, which is easier said than done. Now all I've got left to do is mow the chaotic lawn and prune back some of the shrubs. I recently got a compost bin, so all these weeds and prunings won't go to waste. They'll go into the compost bin and become garden compost to use my plants next year. However, with so many prunings to get through, it's worth chopping them up with a lawnmower, which is just as therapeutic as it looks.